I gotta be pretty cool.
I gotta sneeze. I think you're blacker than Aaron. Are you videotaping this?
Yeah.
Aaron, if you're watching this, you're white.
Oh my god! Oh my god, no. I have to get the business done.
That's what you said when I went to your trailer.
You know what I mean?
Damn.
This does not work. This really does not work to help.
Then just sneeze.
I can't. It's like it's coming. It's getting there, but it's not.
Yeah, Logan, no more ice cream for you.